The YaeCCC 858D Rework Station is equipped with advanced temperature control technology, allowing for 8 different speeds of adjustable airflow to meet various work requirements. With its large LCD screen, users can easily monitor the real-time temperature, offering a wide range from 202 to 842 degrees Fahrenheit for diverse rework applications. The hot air gun heats up rapidly due to upgraded heating elements and a PID rapid heating system, making it highly efficient for quick tasks. The Rework Station features an upgraded hot air gun with a brushless fan that ensures a long lifespan and operates quietly with noise levels below 45 decibels. Its versatile design makes it suitable for household use, hobbies, school labs, repair workshops, and electronics, providing simple and easy operation. Constructed with a good-looking shell, the YaeCCC 858D occupies little space, making it a practical addition to any workspace.